What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. We're going to start this video off with a whole bunch of people going the wrong way down the street. Starting with this one where this person is not only going the wrong way down the street, but doing so over a hill, which is super unbelievably sketchy. And then Jeff here runs into this stall right into the middle of the intersection. He's probably wondering what the heck's going on here. But, it's just Vancouver. It's obviously somebody driving the wrong way down the street. What else could it be? What would you guys do in this situation if you're a car up ahead? I feel like if they see Kevin coming straight at them, they gotta know that they're going the wrong way. Would you pull over to the left or to the right or just stay where you are? Let me know in the comment section below. And then this video I captured over in Port Coquitlam. And this driver, I honked at her, kind of letting her know, like, hey, you're on the wrong side of the road. And she just throws her hands up in the air, like, what else do you want me to do? Kind of sort of thing. Here's the thing. She had to cross this yellow line right here and a sign saying stay over right of a median, but she still went for it anyways. And then Straw captured this video where when you're seeing red lights to your left over a center median, it's not a good situation. And then Brendan joins this club of people driving the wrong way with this clip where this guy just again turns too left too early, missing the median. And this clip right here is near Joyce Collingwood. And I used to live in this area, and I got to tell you, so many people drive the wrong way down the street because they just go straight from a Safeway parking lot, not realizing that you can't enter there, even though there's two giant signs saying don't do it. So Brendan captured that other clip. Brandon captures another driver driving the wrong way. At least this guy notices right away, hey, something is wrong here. I gotta get the heck out of this situation ASAP. This video clip was so amusing to me. So this driver hangs a left, okay? He's gonna go into this lane, but then for some whatever reason just decides, nope, this isn't for me. I'm not waiting in traffic. Decides to just drive the opposite way down the street to make a crazy right turn. Like, not really sure what's going through this guy's brain when there's a perfectly easy option for him right in front of him. Meek Zella submitted this video of this driver turning left and almost hitting this pedestrian and this dog in Port Coquitlam. And let's be real, we are so concerned about the dog safety more than the dudes. But this dude is letting it known that he is displeased with this move and he's going to let the driver know how he feels. This maneuver blew my mind that somebody would do this at a three-way stop here, but people were telling me on Instagram that unfortunately this apparently is common practice in this area and a lot of drivers do it, which just again blows my mind. Yet another Howells 55 crash here in Richmond. The city of Richmond still has not fully installed the lights here, which I'm not really sure what the wait is. Like, get it done. People are just getting smacked left, right, and center at this intersection. Yes, I feel like Renee could have predicted this crash, but people have got to learn how to use roundabouts. It just seems like in Vancouver, no one has any clue how to do it. So let me know in the comment section below whether you think this is a driving win or a driving fail. Yes, it's a driving fail because, the driver should have predicted Johnny, coming to a stop sooner, but I feel like hitting the center median actually saves him money in the long run. So actually it's a pretty smart maneuver. This guy probably thinks he's, super fast runner and all of that, blah, 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 but he's not the Flash, okay? He can't outrun getting hit by a car. So in this crash clip, it looks like the white car turns left in front of someone trying to run the yellow. Let me know in the comment section below who you think's at fault in this situation. At least in this video, we know exactly who's at fault in this crash based on Carol's dashcam. Anonymous sent in this crazy crash where this SUV just flies through the air and tumbles a bunch of times before landing. I'm just really hoping that everybody's okay in this situation. Looks like it was quite a serious accident. And my gosh, it's at least good to be in a large vehicle when something like that happens. Here's another video clip where we feel sorry for the dog. This time this guy runs a stop sign and almost gets T-boned. And you can tell by the way the dog's looking at City that he's just like, please help me. I am in danger. Whenever I approach this intersection, I'm always looking for cars on the right proceeding straight through. But in this situation, Steven probably should have been looking left as well. So Paul captures this driver up on the sidewalk in Richmond. This younger girl is related to the driver. She is helping this person get off a sidewalk, which I don't know why you need help doing that, but this gentleman in the blue hoodie is also related. He's having to help her. He's saying, "Hey, just drive off the sidewalk and get the hell out of here before you're on Vancouver's worst drivers." And what's bizarre to me is the guy gets in the SUV, then they drive off, and then the girl is just stuck there. Like, what is she supposed to do? Take an Uber home or something? Here's a scary situation for Moto Chef Mike. And again, this is a reason why I don't want to ride a motorcycle in Vancouver, because I don't trust other drivers around me. So this skateboarder looks like he's a little bit late crossing the street. This other driver is just not having it, probably saying something. This guy's about to throw fists and they're about to get in a fight just because he's taking a little too long to cross the street. In this situation, Alex is not yielding to the car turning left. He's yielding for the pedestrian, but clearly that red car has no idea that the pedestrian's even there. Alyssa captures this video where this driver turns left right in front of her, and it's just like, how did this white car not anticipate that that was going to happen? These kind of situations really piss me off. Either gun it or don't cut somebody off, but don't just stop in the middle of a lane, because that doesn't help the situation at all. If you guys want to see somebody doing something pointless, you have come to the right place, because this is a prime example of that. If you're going to turn right from a left turn only lane, at least wait for other people to move away from you before you do crazy things like this. Here's another pet peeve of mine. When people just make up their own left turn lane just because, okay? You've got a green light right in front of you. You got Lee flicking on his high beams behind you, but this driver is just completely asleep at the wheel and just has no clue what's going on around him. And then talk about drivers who have no clue. This guy right here has zero clue about where he's going. I'm not sure if he's following Google Maps or like a printed out map or what the hell is going on here, but this guy just has no idea. He wants to take Grandview Highway exit, and then he doesn't. He wants to take this lane, and then realizes, no, I'm supposed to be in this lane. Like, dude, you're going pretty slow. You should be able to read Google Maps, no problem here. I will admit, Tig probably should have proceeded a little bit more cautiously here, but this is just a wake-up call for everybody. When you're approaching situations like this, proceed with caution. Here's a clip that Johnny recorded of him getting cut off. And my personal experience has been, people seem to have a harder time seeing yield signs than stop signs for whatever reason, not really sure why. Jason recorded this Santa Fe almost get an accident, and I'm not really sure why he's in such a rush to get into the fast lane, but man, if you're merging like this, just slow down, take it easy, and use your shoulder checks and your mirrors. That's all you gotta do. Alright, so I'm showing you the entirety of this video to show that there was no contact made between Kevin and this white SUV. None whatsoever. However, this guy's going to pull out and all of a sudden start inspecting the back of his vehicle as if something had happened, probably hit something else and that didn't involve Kevin. And Kevin just gets out of this situation ASAP, which I think is a good move because this guy is just trying to get some ICBC money out of this. Helen recorded this video in North Vancouver on the cut, and let me know in the comment section below, what do you think is going on? Do you guys think that these drivers are trying to cut in front of traffic? Do you think that they're following the person in the ambulance? Let me know in the comment section below. Personally, there's so much traffic in this area, I'm pretty sure they're just trying to bypass all the cars in this parking lot. And then last clip of this video, Lil Green Monster captures these jaywalkers just hanging out in the middle of the street. God bless this cyclist for stepping in and putting an end to this outrageous behavior, because this has got to stop. These people need to be shown that they can't do this. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Instagram at Vancouver's Worst Drivers YouTube. The link will be in the description below. And if you have videos anywhere in the province, you can email them to me at vancouverdrivingvideos@outlook.com.